Hi everybody, today we're going to do a walk around our new California 600 Grand, which is behind me here. It's our new demonstration model. We've obviously shown you around the one in the showroom quite a lot, so we thought we'd just do a quick walk around this one. Look out for some things which are different from our other one that's on here, so a couple of things to look out for. There's no awning on the side of this one. Interested to know what you think about that. Whether you do or don't need an awning on the side of it, but this one's not got it. Didn't go for that, but we have got things like LED headlights, which the other model doesn't have, things like mud flaps which are on there as well, and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the walk around our new demonstration model that's here behind me. If you have, great, give us a thumbs up, give us a like if you've enjoyed today's video. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe, it always helps, and we'll see you again soon.